How to see Reels history on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can see Reels history on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to see your Reels history on Facebook, you can try opening the Facebook application, go to the Watch tab over here, just go to Reels, and then just make sure to watch a couple of reels. And let me also just try to like this particular reel, let's say, right? I'll just like all these reels. Now it's very simple to find history. When you come to the Watch tab, you'll find a little profile icon. Tap on it and here you can find history. Now you might tell me that you don't find the history for your reels. Now this doesn't actually show us the history of the reels we've watched. This only shows the Facebook watch videos that are normal videos and not really reels. So how do we find the reels history? Well, there is a way to find this, but it's not complete, but still I will show you. You can just come to your profile page, tap the three dots option, and then just go to this option called activity log and then tap on it. Now when you go to activity log, over here you should be able to set different sorts of information, your activity across Facebook. Let's say over here, as you can see, you can tap on it and here you can see personal information, preferences, and so on. Otherwise you can also go to all these options. Now here you can see comments and reactions. Tap on manage reactions, and after you've done that, over here you should be able to see filters, and once you see filters you can select categories, and over here you can see likes and reactions or something, and then you will be able to see a list of videos that you have liked, including the reels. Now in order to see your reels history on Facebook, you need to have some kind of activity associated with that history or that particular reel. If you have liked or commented on that reel, it will basically show up in the activity tab. Otherwise you will not be able to see your reels watch history. You can find your Facebook watch history but not the reels watch history unless you have had some type of activity associated with that reel. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.